Hello friends, how are you? Hope you're doing well and welcome back to my channel Edutainment. So friends, are you facing how to fix YouTube not opening problem, or you are facing YouTube something went wrong problem? So here is the solution. So we will go step by step. Please be in the line or be in the video till the end. So first of all, we will go to Play Store. So first of all, we just need to click on Play Store. Find YouTube on Play Store, tap on it and see if YouTube update is available. Update it, either go back, and we just need to go to phone settings. So let's find phone settings. There are so many apps in my phone, so I'll scroll it up and let's see. You can see here setting option is here. Tap on it and now we will go to apps option. Find apps. Yes, so you can see apps is here. Tap on it and now we will tap on app management. So first of all, after following all these processes, tap on app management and now find YouTube. So simply what we will have to do is need to click on force stop. So tap on it. You can read the message. Exception may occur if any app is force stop. Force stop. Tap on it. After doing this, go to storage uses. You can see here. Tap on it. Now click on clear cache. After clearing the cache, most of the problems are fixed for any app, not for YouTube only, for other apps also. This process is applicable for other apps also. So this is the hack of this video. You can save it for later. So now let's click on it. And after doing this, we just need to click on clear data. Tap on it. Read this message carefully. This app's data, including files and settings, will be permanently deleted from the device. So you will have to click on delete. So obviously, whatever you are doing, you should know what you are going to do. So read the message carefully. If you want to do it, do. Either you can go back. So after doing all these processes, we just need to restart the phone. After restarting the phone, you will see your YouTube will be working properly. Let's open it. Allow. Now you can see, you will be able to see whatever you want. You can search whatever you want. So I hope this video is going to help you out. If you find this video is suitable for you or helps your problem, please like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching.